Hi, my name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and motivational speaker. Today, we're working with the shovel here, and we're grinding out some steps. Hopefully you can see them right here. Yeah, there we go. To get over this ice mound. A lot of people hike up on Snow Kings, pretty slippery. Some people eat it, other people go around, but it's not too bad. I just thought for a little bit of workout, I'd bust out the old folding military shovel and dig some steps. About 2/3 of the way through. Pretty tough work, but it's good workout after hiking up to the top of Snow King and down a couple times. I thought, hey, let's add in something. So instead of just working out on my leg strength and cardio, I'm also working on my arm strength and just psychological endurance, because even though it doesn't look like much, digging through this ice, this is already half an hour back-breaking work and probably got another half hour, but super tough. But think about when you face the challenges and you got the obstacles in your way, like this ice slope. It's in your way and you're always walking around it and you're afraid to fall down. How about busting out the shovel, whatever that shovel in your life might be, and just chisel through those steps and make a new path for yourself? It was Ralph Waldo Emerson who said, instead of taking the trodden path, take a new path and blaze a trail. Something like that, I don't quite remember. But in any case, blaze your new trail, whatever it might be. Chisel through those ice steps. Find your way through, make yourself stronger in the process, and enjoy your life. Get rid of the baggage, just chisel through the garbage, and very soon, even though it takes a little bit of time and sweat, it'll be well worth it. Is breaking through the tough stuff in your life easy? Nope. Definitely not. Sometimes it takes a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Hopefully not too much blood, but definitely lots of sweat. But as you're working through these things, just remember that every punch that you make in that ice that's in your way is one more shovel that is out of your way. And the more you do it, the more you get used to it, the stronger you get rid of chunks like this in your life. And all of a sudden, before you know it, you're plowing right through a place that you struggled with for years and years, and only by just sweating it out a little bit, studying, working hard, whatever it is. You do that. Oh, geez, I'm tired. You do that, I promise you. It's not going to be easy, it's going to be tough, but it's well worth the effort to blaze a trail through the tough parts in your life. Are you willing to get out that shovel, chisel away, hit the ice and rocks in your life and smash through? Is it going to be easy? Nope. Are you going to sweat a lot? Yeah, hopefully you don't bleed too much blood, but trust me that, is it something you want to do? Probably not, but the harder you work and the more you get used to it, the easier it actually becomes, to the point where when you're getting through these tough things, in your life, you get these chunks of ice out. All of a sudden, you start feeling better once you start blazing this path in your life. Believe me, I mean, I've had some tough challenges in my life too, and everybody has. That's totally normal. Everybody thinks they're all special, but I gotta tell you, I'm a motivational speaker, and I've seen a lot of people with some serious challenges. I mean, I'm frothing at the mouth, shoveling this ice out, but just trust me, you keep pushing through the tough stuff in your life, whatever you're facing. It seems like you're getting nowhere, but you start chiseling through and you look back and you say, wow, I actually did that just with a camp shovel. Darn straight, it is totally worth the effort. And after a simple hour of digging, you come in, and now got a walkway all the way out. So sure, there's a lot of work to chisel out, but now not only you have a walkway to get through the tough part in your life, but you may have helped somebody else too. My name is Aaron Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and motivational speaker. Watch for my show, World Beyond. Enjoy your life and have a good day.